Alright, for today's video guys, meron ako share sa inyo, day-to-day Valentine's Day na yan. Makikita nyo yung date. And this is my page. No? So makikita nyo meron nakalagay dito na confirms details by September 30 to keep your content visible. Okay, so bagong update ni Meta, hindi natin alam kung bug nga ba to or kung ano man tong ano na to, warning na to, no? So makikita nyo, mabasa nyo dito, we need you to confirm details about your page. Okay, Meta doesn't allow pages are not for children under 13 years. Then sabi niya dito, what you need to do next is tap to confirm to agree by September 30 that your page isn't meant for children under 13. If you have done confirms by September 30, people won't be able to see your content. Okay, so pag kinonfirm natin yan, ayun, kung makikita nyo confirm na, so wala pang available na result, no? So parang nag-update pa lang siguro sila, no? And dito naman sa mga groups, makikita nyo parang nararattle din sila, nagtatanong kung ano yung nangyayari sa Facebook, kung ano yung update na yun. Okay, so wala pang malinaw na solusyon, maraming naghahanap na solusyon. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.